Now, this is another task on Hackerrank. Let us solve for arithmetic operations, and the task is the provided code stub reads two integers from standard input A and B, and add code to print three lines where the first line contains the sum of two numbers, the second line contains the difference of two numbers, and the third line contains the product of two numbers. So in this task, we're supposed to perform basic addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So this is how I would solve it. Now that's how to solve this. Remember, you can use other variable names. Just make sure that the two integers remain the same, however you solve it, to reference to the same integer. So that's all for this. Let's go to the next one.